today. Sorry. What is that?
That's the guitar.
Oh, very nice.
Black, Japanese, things.
Was it a thing that you torched?
Yes. Just
Beautiful.
to give more color.
Yeah. And this one?
This one is the crab cake.
Your signature dish, yes?
Yes.
And it's not fried.
It's not fried. It's baked.
Yeah.
It's 80% or more would be the jumbo lamb crab cake. I mean, the jumbo lamb.
Jumbo lump crab meat, yes?
Yes.
That's how it should be.
Alright. There you go. Very good.
So pretty.
Like that.
Wow.
Cool.
A man who can cook. Yes. It's torched on the top, so you get a charred flavor. This is perfectly cut. Bon appetit. So good. Signature dish, cotolate. Yes. And it's like lump crab meat, so it's like really high quality stuff. No bullshit. Yum. Smells so good. Panas. Really good. The seafood taste. See, it's not fried, so it's like thinking one of it. Juna, I'm kind of expecting you to flip plates and go off on people. I'm kind of expecting you to flip plates and go off on people. Why are you being so nice today?
I am being nice. Wednesday. It's a nice day.
Hump day, yeah.
I'll go.
Oh, how beautiful.
Yep.
With eggplant.
With eggplant, kiwi, and we got the daily fish in there. That's a shrimp.
So that's the quiche.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Right. With a cream of black pepper sauce.
Have you had dinner?
No.
Are you hungry?
I barely eat. I work all the time.
Go have dinner.